Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, today we will continue chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. Under this, we will do different types of angles. So, first angle is acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. So this angle is acute angle. This is also known as less than 1/4 of a revolution. Next is right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degree is known as right angle. So this is the example of right angle, that is 1/4 of a revolution. Here it makes the revolution of 1/4. Third angle is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is known as obtuse angle, that is between 1/4 and 1/2 of a revolution. So this is the obtuse angle which makes the revolution between 1/4 and 1/2. So next, fourth angle is straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degree is known as straight angle. This is the straight angle which forms on a straight line. This is also known as half of a revolution. This is the complete revolution and this is the half of the revolution. So next, number 5 is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. So this is the reflex angle whose measure is greater than 180 but less than 360. That is more than half of a revolution. Next, sixth angle is complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is known as complete angle. This is the complete angle, that is one complete revolution is also known as complete angle. Now we will do the concept of perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. So here a line CD is perpendicular to AB because the angle between AB and CD is right angle, that is 90 degree. So this means CD is perpendicular to AB and this is now written as CD perpendicular to AB. So next is perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector of a line segment is a perpendicular to the line segment that divides it into two equal parts. So here this MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB because M is the midpoint of AB. M divides the AB into two equal parts. So MN is the perpendicular bisector of AB. It means this angle is 90 degree and AM is equals to MB here. Now the question is, there are two set squares in your box. What are the measures of the angles that are formed at their corners? Do they have any angle measure that is common? So we'll take first set square. This is the set square. I have drawn the figure of this set square. Then I have measured the angles of set squares. As this angle forms a 60 degree and this angle forms a 30 degree and this is the 90 degree. Then I have taken the second set square and draw the figure, and after measuring these angles, the measure of the angles are 45 degree and 90 degree. So one set square has angles of measures 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Other set square has angles of measures 45 degree and 90 degree. They have asked that do they have any angle measure that is common? So you can see that in both the set square this angle is common. So we will write yes, 90 degree angle is common in both. Thank you so much students.